Next 005.
Yes, sir.
Repeated video.
The conclusion will.
Just a minute. Just a
Good
minute.
morning, sir. We from Banariaman Institute of Technology. My teammates are Vasundhara and Makila. Our project is Alzheimer disease prediction using deep learning. Objective. The Alzheimer disease is a neurological disorder. It is a short-term memory loss. According to our proposed system, it is an early diagnosis of Alzheimer disease, can improve in effective treatment and help to avoid brain damage. Next. These are the literatures why we referred. Here we use already existing model is machine learning using future extraction. Here the extraction is one of the main issues while producing large data set. Our existing model is deep learning. Here we use our algorithm is a CN algorithm and our architecture is inception resonant. Next slide. Our problem statement. In the United States,
This disease affects about 5.1 million people. Alzheimer's disease is incurable and sixth leading disease. In future, it may affect Indian people. So our aim is to find the disease diagnosis. It is quite possible that due to human error, there could be cases where early detection could be missed that may lead to major problem. Our project uses deep learning techniques such as CNN network to build model that detects the classification of the disease into stages, where early and mild. Our block diagram. Our output is MRI dataset. Then testing, training, and validating the dataset. Then we are using CNN algorithm to classify and detect the stages. Predicted the output. The output can be classified as non-demented, demented, very mild, mild, and moderate. Our dataset. We have taken a dataset and augmented the data according to the training and testing model. And the output is classified as four stages such as non-demented, very mild, mild demented, moderate. Based on the stages, we have taken the dataset for training. Training the total dataset taken is 5,121. And for testing, we have taken 1,279. And the total training and testing dataset is 6,400.
Our proposed model can classify the different stages of Alzheimer's disease and outperforms the deep learning models. The result of the classified stages will be visible to the admins. We are using inception V3 and we are training our model. The trained model will classify the image and pre-process the image. Using ResNet, we are pre-training the dataset and classifying the image as softmax classifier and the output will be classified into the four stages. Inception ResNet V, architect is Inception ResNet V2. Convolutional neural network that is trained on more than 1 million images from ImageNet database. The network is 164 layers deep and can classify images into 1,000 object categories. For future extraction, Inception ResNet V2 is used, and for classification, we are using CNN. This is the Inception ResNet V2 diagram. First, we are by using architecture, we are drop-outing the images and flatten the images. The image length will be calculated. By this, we are predicting the accuracy level and classifying the stages. These are the comparison of existing model V3 and our model ResNet V2. Conclusion. The proposed model on an inception ResNet V2 architecture to capture the rich feature using the MRI input image. According to the experimental efforts, the proposed method plays better at categorizing Alzheimer's disease and its stages. In future, we are increasing the number of images in training and testing data. We are trying to achieve the accuracy level of 85%. Thank you.
Here, Vasundhara.
Yes, sir.
By this
voice is too low, sir. We can't hear you.
Now are you able to listen me? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is here. You are going to identify the algorithms. This is by
Yes,
using this algorithm.
yes, sir.
What about the accuracy?
Yes, sir.
What about the accuracy?
Uh, so the accuracy level still now we have predicted is 77. So by using 6,000 data set, in future we are implemented to develop, improve the training and testing data images, and we are trying to improve the accuracy level up to 85 to 90, sir.
So 85 to 90. Previously,
Yes, sir.
so to identify it, previously what you can use now you have using something. Is there any enhancement?
Sir, in Inception ResNet V3, there is a 74% accuracy, sir. By using ResNet V2, we are getting accuracy level of 70 to 80 percentage, sir.
So to get out of 100, to get the accuracy 90 95% is above. How can we get it?
So by putting a large number of data sets, sir. We need to train the and test the model with a large data sets, sir, for getting that accuracy level.
Train data set. Yes, you have taken the data set, or otherwise, are you download any from any
So
source
download the data set, sir. You have download the data set from Kaggle, sir.
from Kaggle?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Next, 006.
Hi, sir.
Open your PPT and video.
Sir, can you able to see my screen, sir?
It's coming. Please wait. It's coming. What's your paper ID? You are not mentioned your paper ID.
Sir?
You are not mentioned your paper ID. Yes, some noise is coming from your side, Guru. Some noise is coming from your side, Guru. Yeah. Open your PPT again.
Yeah, okay, sir. Is it fine now, sir?
Fine, but press F5.
Yes.
Press F5. Slideshow. Very good. Very good. You haven't mentioned your paper ID.
Oh,
Okay, no problem. Yeah. So
can I proceed with this, sir?
yes, you can. You can proceed.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Hi, I am Guru Prasad. We are from Banariman Institute of Technology, and my teammates are Mayarasan, Vinit Krishnan, and my guide is Stephen Sagairaj. Let me go to problem statement. Yeah. Many companies are facing a lot of problems in onboarding new employees and fitting them into the role. And our system is mainly designed to make easy add new employee, edit the employee and manage it. Our objective of the project is to simplify the task of maintaining records of the employee of the company and to develop a well-defined database to store employee information. The objective of the project is to provide a comprehensive approach towards the management of the employee information. Coming to the future, most of the contemporary information system are based on the database technology as a collection of logical data. And DBMS as a software allowing the user to define, create, edit, and to give access to the database. The process of constructing such kind of system is not so simple. It involves mutual development of application, program, and database. Application program is actually the bridge between the user and the database, where the data is stored. Comes the well development application program and the database are very important for the reliability, flexibility and functionality of the system. And this slide will be explained by my teammate Vinit Krishnan. Oh, Vinit?
Yeah, continue. Dhruv, continue.
Yeah, I Vinit, are you there?
Just continue.
So he's no, okay. We are having three modules. Like in for employee, there will be a leave management system, daily performance report, easy communication, onboarding new customer, task management system. And for HR, there will be a private module and there will be a private site for them. They can able to edit, add and delete employee. And attendance monitoring of the employee can be monitored for them. And depending upon the attendance monitoring, the payroll the salary can be assigned to the employee. And for customer, there will be a separate module.
Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, Vinit.
So, I will explain the feature set. So,
Yeah, okay.
So there must be a proper culture in the company where we have to manage everything. So first of all, we have to have a performance report. There must be easy communication between the HR and ourselves as employee. And onboarding a new customer will be difficult for HRs. So to make it easier for everyone, for employees to HR departments and customers. So we are developed this model with these features. Like for example, employees can have able to do leave management system, daily performance report, easy communication, onboarding new customer, and HR department can able to see the attendance monitoring and payroll management. Customer employee assigned for each customer there will be an employee will be assigned and complaint management will be taken care. So next slide. So all leave transaction for employee will be tracked and leave balance automatically updated. Daily performance report is fully cloud-based. Report examines data each day. So these data will be done in using Azure cloud. So we don't need to have it actually in our system. So every project has number of tasks and employees. So to minimize the task by the employees, we introduce the agile board in our uh, agile board in our project, so which can be easily tracked and a task can be followed to each other employee quickly than others. So we have explained earlier that advanced monitoring system is one of the major issues right now in the companies. So our monitoring system is able to capture employee attendance data such as arrival time, duration, absence. It enables the faculty to record, store, and monitor and students' attendance history. So, what are the stages of payroll? So, in pre-payroll process, we always collect the inputs like attendance, performance, and so on. After that, we will do the actual payroll calculation. And post payroll, each we will send the data to our bank system where to actually send the salary to the employees. So this is our sample which have been done. So employee details will be collected like this, and each employee will be assigned to one customer to take care of each customer's problem. Thank you.
Here, Guru,
Yeah, sir.
Guru and team.
Vinit,
What about the
Yes, sir.
novelty of your project? Novelty.
So, novelty of the project is that the systems are separate basis, not has been integrated. So our system will be doing in an integrated manner where we will include all the features from requirement for the HRs. So uh, we will remove the cost. We will do the cost optimization for the each company. As we know that the companies, as our world is going to a recession, so we have to minimize the cost of each company. So we are planning to do that.
so the existing system records are maintained in the register, sir, and it will be a time-consuming process, and it is complicated to search, edit, and updating. But in our proposed work, the salary can be calculated, and attendance can be easily marked, and the calculation of the leaves can be categorized to various leaf type. So the time consuming also will be lesser in our proposed work, sir.
What about the .NET framework? .NET framework.
So we have used C Sharp as a main language for developing this one. So .NET framework we have used C Sharp.
Guru, come to
Yes,
the architecture block diagram.
sir. Sorry to interrupt. Your voice is breaking, sir.
Audio is breaking. No worries, no worries. What I'm asking is your block diagram.
Uh, we didn't add the block diagram to this presentation, sir. Like, can I explain now, sir? Like,
Yeah.
sir, usually the user will create a database or like insert, update, delete, and retrieve by the DB queries, and the application will be progress that by using DBMS server, and it will stored in the database, like it will stored in the DBMS, and it will be uh, shown to the HR, like what are the details needed, and the calculation purpose and the other step background will be done by the code base.
Guru,
Yes, yeah, ma'am.
can you use this .NET in recruitment process and issuing of salaries?
Yeah, ma'am. Like in the background, it will be calculated.
Okay. And what are the other applications of this .NET other than client management? What are the other applications of this .NET?
Uh, can you explain what are you asking me?
Actually, you worked on client management alone by using this .NET. Can you tell me some other applications of this .NET in other areas?
Hello, ma'am. So .NET framework is developed by Microsoft. So for each applications like in Windows, we have many of the softwares has been developed using .NET framework from Visual Basics and so on. And uh, many websites have been developed using C and the .NET frameworks. Mostly Windows softwares will be developed.
Okay.
Guru, okay, wish you all the best. Have a nice day.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Next
Thank you so much.
008 007.
Thank you, sir.
So actually they sent a message after 15 minutes they would like to give the presentation 007. Next I'm calling 008. Next 008. Are you there? 008. 08 008.
Yes, sir.
Share PPT and video.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So my screen is visible.
Wait, wait. Press F5.
Hello, sir.
F5. Press F5 to go to slideshow. Go to slideshow, please. Are you able to listen to me? Everything is
Yes,
fine?
sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Press F5. Go to slideshow.
Sir, my screen is visible, sir.
Screen is visible.
Okay, sir.
What I'm
Uh,
telling is go to slideshow or press F5 button. Function F5. It will come to the slideshow. F5. Yeah, you go to like design, not design here. Slideshow. File. Now you are in home button. Home tab. Try to go to slideshow tab. Slideshow. Slideshow tab. Yeah.
okay.
Come to yes. Here you can from the beginning tab. From the beginning you can press on click on from the beginning.
Yes, sir, I'm showing from beginning only, sir.
Click on it.
So I will continue.
Diveda,
Yes, sir.
press on slideshow here. Start up. Yeah, from beginning. Yes, you can click on. Your mouse is there now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you click on slideshow. Click on it. Mouse pointer. You are not clicking.
Sir, I will click it, sir.
Okay. Slideshow. Right. Okay, you can continue.
Good, good morning, everyone. We are from a Banarama Institute of Technology. The title is 32-bit VLSI Risk Architecture. Our author is Ilakya and we are the co-authors. Niveta, Snega, Ashwin Par, Abhinaya, Kavya and Kavya Darshini. Now we seeing about abstract instructions, objectives, problem statement, literature survey methodology and technical requirement and reference. The main reason of this 30-bit VLSI risk architecture is we want to less instructions we will giving compared to the CISC. We are advanced we doing the risk architecture. That's why we going for the risk architecture. The abstract is the processor designed in a risk architecture based on the MIPS technique. The processor performance 32-bit operations using the biplane technique. It is implemented in a 5 stages. Processor execute in a instruction in a single clock cycle. This technically improves the execution of the operation performance and reduce the power consumptions. The proceed design is developed in a Verilog HDL and using the models in PIX4 synthesized by EDA tool. Coming to the instruction, MIPS technique is used in the RISC architecture. It is process a high power, low power, high performance and enhanced capacity and it is deployed in a wide range of the applications. Biplane MIPS has a 5 stages which is a fetch, decode, execute, memory and read back. Biplane is a designed implementations where elements of the biplane are often executed in a parallel fashion within a biplane registrations used as buffer storage. This makes implementation of all stages in the data path possibilities are turned as an incregated the throughput of the processor. Our objective is to improve the instruction execution speed, to reduce the power consumption of the processor, to minimize the memory access. This processor are dominating the world because of this reduced similar logic, and it is used in the smartphones, supercomputers, and countless electronic devices. Our problem statement is to design and develop the MIPS and RISC processor by implementing 5 stages in introducing the pipeline between 2 stages. Considering these factors, design the processor with a high performance and optical throughput of the processor. This is our literature survey. We go through in this authors and the paper. This is our block diagram. Control unit instructions code and viewing to the instruction to decoding, and the registration read data instruction decoding multiplier and ALU buffer shifter and accumulator. We are using this we are using this in a developing in a software coding. So we using this. This is our methodology. We changing this adder to the Mac unit to speed of the coding. So we using we coming to the Mac unit and multiply the accumulated adder multiplier. We are using this Mac unit, introducing this new methodology. Technical requirements, we are using EDA for a synthesization and Model Sim 6.3 for a simulation. This is our reference. Thank you, sir.
Here, Niveda,
Yes, sir.
this architecture, are you designed it?
No, sir. Now only we designing, sir.
Up to now, you have developed a prototype model.
Sir?
Now, you have developed a prototype model.
Yes, sir. We using this tool model sim. We are developing this, and we using to better basic multipliers.
What about it? So, what about the difference between 32-bit and 16-bit?
So 32-bit is we giving the high instructions, sir, but we comprising this 16-bit, we reducing the instructions and low power consumption.
Okay. What about 64?
So 64-bit.
What about 64? How? What about 64-bit RISC architecture? RISC.
64-bit RISC architecture, sir.
Yes, yes.
Uh, 64-bit also we using in to reduce the instructions and to build in a self-test.
Now come on.
The the mechanism to the 64-bit is it will do itself.
You have to show 32-bit architecture, RISC architecture diagram.
32 architecture diagram. No, I don't have the diagrams.
Go to block diagram. This time diagram.
Okay, sir.
You have given here instruction register, instruction decoder, register, instruction decoder, multiplier, ALU, shift register. You have given here. And why we are using that is the what is the purpose of why we are using 32-bit RISC architecture?
Yeah. Sir, we already done an CISC architecture, sir, last time. So we want to do that better. So we are choosing this. We want to speed a high data and less the instructions. We're going to the advanced stage.
Niveda, yes, you have
Sir.
to prepare well, okay? You have to
Okay,
prepare well
sir.
about why we are specifying the title. You are giving the 32-bit VLSI risk architecture, reduced instruction set. Huh?
Sir, I can't able to hear you, sir.
Are you able to listen me?
Now okay, sir.
Yeah. When you are giving the title, give the proper title. As you have given
Eh,
a 32-bit VLSI risk architecture, okay? So
okay,
give
sir.
that. So why? What is the purpose of this using this? What is the purpose of using 32-bit architecture? And you have to know the difference between 16-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit, as well as 128-bit. So what purpose we are using this architecture? So what are the applications of this architecture? Yes, you have to maintain. You have to know the differences among these also. Okay. Among
Okay,
these
sir.
you have to know.
Niveda,
Yes, ma'am.
Niveda, whatever you did, you must be able to explain because
Okay,
it
ma'am.
seems you are not confident enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, first, whatever the research you have chosen, your objective must be very clear and you must be very confident about what you are doing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you are not able to answer for the title itself, you are confusing.
Okay, ma'am.
You are not clear in your objectives itself. That's why.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, please be strong for your next presentation.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
Niveda.
thank you.
Niveda,
Okay.
no worries. Practice makes men perfect. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Practice well. Try to learn something from the guide. As per the guide instructions, you have to develop it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Next
Thank you, sir.
007. 007. Are you there? 007. 007. Are you there? Next 009. 009. 009. 009. IoT based water billing system. 009. Are you there? 009. 010. Who is ready to give the presentation? My dear others, who is ready to give the presentation? 009, 010, 011. Your paper ID, Divya? Divya, what is your paper ID?
Yes, sir. 13, sir.
13, okay. Yes, you can present now.
Yes, sir. Sir, my screen is visible, sir.
Yeah, please continue.
Yeah. Yes. Good morning, all. Myself, Divya K. from MTech CSE final year, Department of Computer Science, Pondicherry University, under the guidance Dr. P. Shivakumar, Assistant Professor. My project title is Smart Contract Digital Cryptocurrency Analysis of Ethereum Blockchain Transaction for Similar Web. This is my agenda.
Come to first slide. Come to first slide.
Sir,
Come to first slide. Yeah. Title. Come again.
Smart
Title.
Contract Digital Cryptocurrency Analysis of Ethereum Blockchain Transaction for Similar Web, sir.
Similar web.
Similar web means it is a Google search, or we can say it as a Google search engine or Google Trends like that, sir. The other word for Google search, it will be like similar web, sir.
Okay, fine. Continue. Yes.
Okay. This is the agenda. Abstract. The Ethereum blockchain digital currency transaction include the smart contract or first estimate using a large data analysis, which is a future in action because nowadays everything is under blockchain technology. So I have taken this as a analysis paper for Ethereum blockchain, and then the analysis of cryptocurrencies pricing and the searching trends indicates the presence of major actions digital currencies such as Ether, USD, BAY, and Bitcoins. We all know that Bitcoins, but these other three are major in web searches in Google Trends. And then the pair of that provides a better accuracy and current estimate for the Ether price as revealed through with the cross correlation analysis of digital cryptocurrencies values and searching trends. Introduction. Many industries and scholars from numerous disciplines are paying a growing attention for the blockchain as well as currencies like Ether, USD, BAY, and Bitcoin. It makes sense to take online platform into account whenever examining the blockchain because of their decentralized nature. This would result in central banks as well as their government agencies losing their control over the financial market in the case of cryptocurrencies. It goes without saying the degree of decentralization in the network determines its effectiveness. Background work. Blockchain is introduced in 1990. The most big consequence of this methodology is no third-party interference. This is the main things in the blockchain, and then it has a dependability and immutability as well as transparency. The blockchain technology has revolutionized in numerous fields, includes banking, healthcare, public transport, digital forensics, and information security. These features are direct outcome of blockchain framework. Information is separated into a blocks which are all linked together using a cryptographic techniques. Moreover, information kept in any node throughout the system is noticeable to users, ensuring the transparency. Blockchain Ethereum. The Ethereum blockchain is an instance of distributed ledger technology. This is a broad term of data set that maintains and transparent information across the information across the system of blocks of information. Here the gas is the fee required to successful contact of transaction or execute a contract on a Ethereum blockchain platform. It is a fee price to tiny factors for the cryptographic currencies of the Ether. And then smart contract. Smart contract is a code written into a blockchain that executes the terms of agreement or a contract from outside of chain. It automates the action that would be completed by third party in the agreement, which removes the needs for both parties to trust each other. And then big data processing. Here I have used Hadoop cluster for interconnecting the master node communication into a PC. Moving the processing in the information is Hadoop concept. Here I have taken two processors. One is YARN and HDFS. And then common factors. Understanding the occurrence that leads to the market condition to serve many possible through analyzing the social issues. Here, extremely fascinated the social media network and complicated networks like Ethereum blockchain communications. In light of this, search engine trends has been selected as a source of data for guiding interest on the public in cryptocurrencies like Ether and Bitcoin. Ether and Bitcoin are major cryptocurrencies in Google Trends. So I have taken Ether, Bitcoin as well as BAY and USD. And then data and tools. The dump provides the repository on Google BigQuery where Ethereum dataset that was utilized for investing had first been assembled. This dataset is now accessible by everyone. Hadoop cluster receives the data set which is saved in the HDFS. Here data set was processed using Spark because of its understanding and speed and efficiency. This is the analysis and result of Ethereum transactions. First image, it shows the transaction per day of Ethereum. Like in 2018, it has been started evaluation in 2018, and it is now evaluationizing. And then Ethereum has some gas fee. The average gas fee was increased in 2017, and after that 2021 it is again increased. It has been getting gas fees for each and every transactions. And Ethereum average gas fee, it is gradually increasing, and in 2021 very high. And then Ethereum smart contract, that is gradually increased in 2016 to 2023. And then I have taken the price of Bitcoin and USD. This is the analysis graph for last 10 years from 2015 to Jan 2023. And then this is the maximum cross correlation using the heat map for all the four coins, cryptocurrencies. And this is the comparison table, and I have taken mean standard deviation, minimum and maximum for all the four crypto coins. And conclusion, the result in this article implies the account of interactions among the social as well as financial complication network improves the assets value forecasting, and this method is easier to spot market spams and cryptocurrency prices bubbled that they are resulting in non-public actors. In order to get the more information, future analysis maybe get data from other social resources of data. These are my references. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, please come to your title.
Yes, sir.
Smart contract and just cryptocurrency Ethereum.
Yes, sir.
Blockchain transaction for other web. Okay. What about the novelty of this one?
Sir, I am doing a final year project, sir. For that, I need any four cryptocurrencies. So I need to analyze the cryptocurrencies, how the cryptocurrencies are in market or Google. So that I analyzes the Ethereum. I have taken Ethereum as my final year project, sir. So I have taken four cryptocurrencies and analyzes the things, sir, using correlation.
Correlation.
Yes, sir.
Correlation and regression.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What about yes, you have given some big data.
Yes, sir. I'm getting a data, sir, like data set from Google, sir. So I need to analyze the data set. So I used the Hadoop cluster, Hadoop HDFS, sir.
Hadoop cluster. Hadoop.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have taken HDFS
Yes, sir.
Hadoop file structure.
Yes, sir. And then I have visualized in Tableau, sir. Yes, sir. By using Tableau visualization, I have created that graph, sir. I
Divya?
get the data set from Google's. Yes, ma'am.
What is the need of this cryptocurrency, and how you can differentiate this cryptocurrency concept with the normal currency? What are the advantages of this?
Cryptocurrency nowadays, normal currencies were like digitally available, ma'am.
Okay, continue. Okay, next. Continue. Divya. Divya, are you able to listen me?
value like this. The one Ethereum has 1 lakh, like US dollar has more than 1 lakhs, 1 lakh 42,000, ma'am. Now, one Ethereum has 1 lakh 42,000
Okay.
for Indian rupee. So if we invest in that kind of things now, we will be getting profit also. We will getting the loss also, ma'am. We don't know. We will get the positive things or negative things. But
Okay.
we get positive, like if we get
Statistics. What is the
like
value of that? What is the value of that in
one,
rupees?
yes, ma'am. One Ethereum is 1 lakh 32,000 in Indian rupees, ma'am.
Okay. One
One
Ethereum.
Yeah, yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So like that, if we have 0.02 itself, we will be getting like thousands, ma'am. Like 10,000, 20,000. Like that, we will be getting, ma'am.
Okay,
So
the
if
concept is a definitely good concept, but it is in a initial stage in our country particularly.
yes, yes. Now only the
Now
people
only
will be
people
having.
are now only people are starting thinking about this
Yes,
cryptocurrency
ma'am.
applications and
Yes,
all.
yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, Divya. But whatever it may be, yes, we have to practice well. While giving the presentation also, yes, you are in the confusion mode. Hmm? Are you able to listen me, Divya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Try to rectify it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Try to update and give the presentation. Right.
Okay,
Whatever
sir.
it may be, wish you all the best. Hmm?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Have a nice day. Yes, yes.
Thank you,
Next,
sir.
next 007. 007, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Open our PPT and video.
Good morning, sir and ma'am. This is Kavya from final year of EC department from Banarama Institute of Technology, and my co-authors are Nivash, Sanjay, Purvasandhya, Monishwa, and Mohammed Ansar. Our topic is smart firefighting robot using Node MCU. Um, well, the outbreak of fire is dangerous act and that has number of consequences. Well, it's sometimes impossible for the firefighter personnel to access the site of fire due to traffic and other conditions. Even as the fire causes tremendous property damage and also loss of human life due to high temperature or presence of explosive materials. So at that situations, the fire protection members cannot come to the place on time. For that, we are using robot, and our robot has extra features like it will be ejecting the water, and it will be sensing through gas sensor, fire sensor, flame sensor, and temperature sensors. Well, in the event of fire breakout, to rescue people and put out of fire, we are forced to use human resources which are not safe. With the advancement of technology, especially in robotics, it is very much possible to replace humans with robots for fighting the fire. And our main objective is to reduce the risk of human life, design and development of low cost firefighting robot. If fire is detected with the help of sensors, the node MCU operates for water pump mechanism shown in the block diagram. This is our literature survey. In block diagram, the camera will be sensing the surrounding place, and through ultrasonic sensor, the robot can detect the obstacle in front of it, and through gas sensor, temperature sensor, and fire sensor, it will detect the fire around the place and it will be moving towards it. And all these input are given to node MCU, and as these data are stored in the server, the ThinkSpeak, and an LCD display is present. We are giving a buzzer sound if the fire is out of control, and water will be water will be sprayed if the fire is more. Well, this is the basic project, but our project has the novelty, like we are using advanced ultrasonic sensor, which are used in ships. And then the second novelty is that our robot in our robot the wheels will be attached through a chain as in military trend, so that the robots will not fall down if any speed breakers or obstacles are on its way. And then uh, we are using camera so that we can see the location through phone, and all these data can the robot can be accessed both through mobile and also automatically. If you want to move the robot manually at some places, we can move through the mobile. And we are using Canny app for that. This is the methodology. Well, technical requirements of ThinkSpeak for cloud server, and Canny is the IoT app we are using, and Node MCU for coding. This is our process overview. The data will be read from the camera, digital sensor, and then from PA sensor, gas sensor, and flame sensor. All these are given through the server and also Android app, and the water is pumped out when the fire is more than the threshold value. Yeah, these are the references. Thank you.
Kavya, Kavya, are you able to
Sir?
listen to me?
Yes, sir.
Please justify your title. Justify your title.
Hello.
Ah, yes. Can you justify your title?
Sir, I'm not audible.
Not audible. Can you justify your title?
Yes, sir, no.
Title.
Firefighting robot. Yes,
Smart
sir, it will
fire.
fight against the fire as humans' life are at risk. We are using robots, sir, and using Node MCU. As we are using the chain for smartness, we have given a smart firefighting robot,
You have given
and we
smart.
can access this both manually and automatically. Due to our
Smart
novelties, we
fire.
have kept the name as smart firefighting robot.
Smart fire fighting robot using Node MCU. Okay.
Yes,
You
sir.
have
It is the
given a name.
microcontroller that we are using, so I have given
Yes,
that
you
name.
have given a name, a smart fire. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
That's why I'm asking you justify your the title, smart fire.
Because of our novelty, I have given a smart. We have given a little bit changes only, sir. Because of that, the robots, what to say, process will be much better than others.
That's
For
why
that, I have kept a smart firefighting.
firefighter. MCU, Node MCU. What about Node
Yes,
MCU?
sir. Node MCU is the microcontroller we are using, and in that ESP8266 we are using, sir. So, show them block
8266.
diagram. Yes, sir.
Microcontroller. Why use it that one? Why you use it that one? Something is the other
So
microcontrollers are
initially we
there.
have used Arduino Uno, and as it is so basic, we have converted to Node MCU, and it has Wi-Fi module inbuilt in that, so that it's better using Node MCU.
Okay. Wi-Fi module is there.
Inbuilt Wi-Fi module, yes, sir.
That's why you use it this one. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kavya. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much, sir.
Next 00. Next 009. 009. 009. Are you there? 009. 010. 011. 011. Tell me. 011. 012. 014.
Yes, sir. 012, sir.
012. Yeah. Open your PPT and video.
Okay, sir.